everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Fameswap, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to buy an account from Fameswap, how to buy a TikTok account, actually. And this video is going to go quick. I'm going to explain everything step by step, so watch until the end. And before we get into the video, this is very risky. When you buy an account from Fameswap, it's kind of risky if you don't use the escrow. So you got to use that middleman. So we're gonna click on TikTok after you get logged in. Being logged in is so important because you need to message the sellers. So you're gonna see this listed numbers and also the price here, and there's gonna be an audience tab. So I'm just gonna choose the account with the most followers. So I'm just gonna, or no, let's go with this one because this one has a good price and also has a good number of followers. So we see that this category is food and nutrition. It's ownership verified, so make sure that the ownership is verified. Also, make sure that it has the original email included. So this guy was listed today, and it was last seen today. So make sure that they were last seen in the last like 2-3 days. So you know that they're legit. And then we're gonna press on contact seller. It's gonna go quick, guys. So watch until the end. If you're still also so guys. If you're watching this, if you get any problems with FameSwap or anything, just comment below. Use this video as a forum. So that other people can help you. So we're gonna say I wanna buy this account, and when you buy a TikTok account, make sure that you get this guy's number, their Telegram, their WhatsApp, their everything, so that you don't lose the accounts. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask to them. I want to buy this account, and I will buy it. Blah 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 blah, and they will ask for the pictures of the accounts, ask for the algorithm, like the statistics of each video, like 2-3 videos, to see if they're not a bot or not. I mean, you can understand it. Everybody knows how TikTok algorithm works, and so we're gonna press on escrow, and after that, you gotta like get a deal with the person that you're purchasing from, and basically that's it. And how it works is you get the escrow created, delivery process, buyer review, and seller payouts. And yeah, so you can use Fameswap to buy or sell your accounts. Also, I will be making videos about YouTube and Instagram, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to buy a YouTube account or an Instagram account from Fameswap, I have a lot of tips for y'all because I have been in this industry for a long time. So before you buy it, watch my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, y'all. Thank y'all.